Hey, planner people. It's your girl Erica with Erica Makes Plans, and I am here with my next Black Friday arrival, and that is my Jane's Agenda order. Now, this video should be relatively quick because I really only ordered one thing. It was expensive, but one thing. But let me pull it out the box and then we'll talk about it. Okay, so I've got it out of the box. Nice packaging. Let's open this puppy up and see what we have. Let me just make sure here. Okay. Okay, so this, I believe, yeah, this nice grocery list. I don't know if you can see it because it's got a glare. I'll pull it out. This grocery list is actually a freebie. I did not order this. They put it in here because I ordered during the sale, and this is actually something I can use. So sometimes they put freebies in that are like, but that one was a good one because, you know, everybody has to go to the grocery store, unfortunately. But anyway, so then this card comes with it. Thank you for shopping during our Cyber Week event. Take a pic of your order and tag us at Jane's Agenda. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Will do, Jane's Agenda. Will do. We'll definitely do that. Okay. The pièce de résistance. Okay. Because this is what I actually ordered. I don't see any kind of, I'm sorry for all this bouncing. I'll do it this way to keep the thing from bouncing so much. I don't know where my invoice is exactly. Nice little dust bag it comes in. And ta-da-da, look at her. Look at her. Okay, look at her. She's gorgeous. She is navy, and that is what I wanted. Now, you might be asking me, Erica, why didn't you order a Nautique? Here's the thing. I wanted a Nautique. Nautique was what I actually wanted, but they didn't have the navy blue. When they had the navy blue Nautiques, they had gold hardware. I'm not a gold hardware girl. So I was waiting for them to come out with a navy blue with silver hardware or even navy blue hardware, because that blue on blue would have been, ugh, you know. And then with, but, you know, I needed a cover. I wanted a cover. And the reason I wanted a cover, let me get my planner and show you. Here's my plum paper planner. I have this cover on my cover. But if you look at these, they start to delaminate a little bit on the edges if you don't have a cover on them, which is why I put this on here. But I don't know. I just really wanted to put it just really, and as you can see, I love a dark blue. So the planner I ordered for this year from Plum is also an A5. So let's just make sure it fits because, you know, a lot of times they'll say that things fit A5 or half letter, but what they really mean is that they made it for a half letter, which is not the same thing as an A5. I know people like to think it is because of the 8 discs, but an A5 is actually wider than a half letter, whereas the half letter is taller than an A5. And that is why sometimes when it says A5 slash half letter and then I try to put it on my A5, it's long enough, but then it's a little bit short for my A5. So, and I'm sure it's probably, you know, I'm sure people who have a half letter have the same issue where they'll order things that are wide enough because of the A5, but then they're a little too short for the half letter. So I just, ooh, look at this. It's so nice. Well, let's look at it before I try it. It says Jane's Agenda here. Look at that. That's nice. Now, the one thing that I wasn't crazy about with this, that I liked about the Nautique just a little bit better, was the pockets. The Nautique had a lot of card slots. However, when I thought about it, Erica, you ain't taking this planner nowhere. This planner don't go nowhere but in the house. You know what I mean? Like, the farthest I take it is to the bedroom or, you know, to the living room or something. So it's not like it needs to travel. Although, I will say, when I did go on vacation, I went to my hometown during the summer, and I did take my planner. So it would have been nice to have a cover during that time. But I don't need it for, like, cards and things like that. But this is plenty of pockets that I can decorate to the extent that I need to decorate it. And here's an extra pocket in the front, and here's the pocket that you slide the planner in the back. And it has a pin loop. So let's see if this is going to fit. Oh, that slides in like butter. Now, as you can see, it's got a little give on the height. And that is because, like I said, the half letter is taller than the A5. But it looks like that this is going to be wide enough for my A5. Oh, nice. It fits nicely. Even with a little extra room in case I wanted to put a bigger disc on it. I don't know if you can see that. Has a little extra room in case I wanted to put a bigger disc on it, which honestly, I might. These are Happy Planner discs. I'm like halfway into ordering some 1.5 inch discs for it, but we'll see. I think 2-inch discs are overkill. I'm not even, well, honestly, I'm looking at this. I don't know if you can see that. Try to get you a little more light. But, I mean, honestly, I probably could put a 2-inch disc on there because, yeah, there's plenty of room. But, yeah, no sense testing fate. So, I think I'm going to put like an 1.5 inch disc on it. Because I think that's enough. Because as you can see, like we're at the end of the year. And this is how thick it is. You know, it's a little thick for the Happy Planner disc, but it's not too bad. It's not obnoxious, but look how nice that is. So my 2024 main planner is going to reside here. So comment below whether you put your planner in a cover and or not, and tell me, you know, whether you like it in a cover, whether you like it without a cover. If you have a plum paper planner, tell me if yours delaminates as well, or if this is just a me thing. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you go take a look at Jane's agenda. They're Jane's agenda, apparently, across all platforms. Check them out. This is a vegan leather cover. It is very sturdy. It is very nice. I think I'm going to love it. This navy blue is fire. I don't even know how else to tell y'all. This is fire. Oh, and I should mention, the other reason why I went ahead and ordered it, is because I had won a $50 gift certificate during, they were doing their anniversary sale. I'm part of the Jane's Agenda Facebook group, and they were doing a giveaway, and I won a $50 gift certificate to the shop. So I was able to use that on this, that significant, I swear to you guys, I know how to talk. I promise I do. I promise I learned how to talk when I was a toddler. But anyway, significantly brought down the price, and I was able to get this for not a lot of money. So, but yeah, go check out Jane's Agenda and go get you some stuff. But anyway, that's all I got for y'all. I'm out of here.